everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH, and for those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the major changes happening to you in 2024. And since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. So I suggest that you get a reading personalized to your unique situation, and I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've been using Keen for almost a year now, and Keen has helped me whenever I needed clarity and guidance. I have 2 regular psychics that I usually consult with, and they always bring enlightenment in my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading, because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer on Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Pisces, let's see what are the major changes coming to you in 2024. Ayan, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee, available ang mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, let us see, Pisces, what are the major changes in 2024 coming to you? Major changes for Pisces in 2024. Okay, so you have the 5th house. 5th house is about your creative talents, your skills. So, pwedeng isa yan sa ipupurso mo, yung creativity mo. Makes sense with the Neptune here. Neptune is also about being imaginative, creative. So, related yan sa iyong mga abilities, sa iyong mga talents. You also have Gemini. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong talent sa communication, public speaking. Pwede rin tong mga collaboration with people, no, related sa mga content creation. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng yan yung ipupurso ninyo ngayong 2024. Pero kung kayo ay nasa ganyang industriya na, you will be strengthening your presence, no, sa social media or sa pag-share ng inyong mga talents through your creations, through your creativity. And then you have Lagus. So this is about your emotions, your feelings. So yung iba sa inyo related to sa acting, no? So pwedeng related sa pag-artista kung kayo ay nasa ganyang field. Yung iba naman sa inyo ay nasa, alam mo na yung mga gumagawa ng skit. Oo, na meron kayong ina-act out. Yan. And then, you will also be more intuitive. You will follow. Kumbaga, i-follow mo, susundan mo lang kung saan ka masaya ngayong 2024. Kumbaga, susundan mo yung puso mo, kung saan ka mas fulfilled. Ayan. Kung saan ka nakakaramdam ng kaligayahan. Kasi itong Bunyo is about happiness, bliss. So, your emotions are going to lead you to where you should be. Ayan. And then itong Perthro is about your knowledge, your intuition. So I think yung iba sa inyo, kung ang gusto ninyo ay magdagdag pa ng kaalaman, no? May matutunan pa kasi syempre hindi naman pwedeng laging natatapos na yung pag-aaral, no? We can always improve ourselves, our knowledge through learning. So pwedeng meron kayong mga bagong mga pag-aaralan. Na syempre, related rin to sa inyong mga interes. And through that, no, may ma-discover nyo pa kung ano pa yung mga iba nyong mga talento. Okay? Let's see what else. You have the death card. Oh. This is major transformation, endings and new beginnings. Kumbaga, meron mang nagtapos, no? Meron namang mag-open na bagong opportunity for you. This can be sa career. Makes sense with the career kasi meron ditong pagsisimula ng bago mong pangarap, yung mga plano mo sa buhay. Some of you will be staying sa isang lugar na malayo sa kinalakihan mo. Oo. You also have the Ten of Pentacles. I think you will be more motivated, no, for your family. Ang isa sa magiging focus mo is to make your life more abundant sa pamamagitan ng pagsunod mo sa passion mo, what you are passionate about. You also have the Two of Cups, merong love opportunity for you, pwede rin tong partnership, business partnership, but for some of you, I see this as a romantic connection na you will be in. So, pwedeng ngayon, you are already in that relationship or pwede namang sa 2024 mo pa ito makikilala. But I see this person as someone na kapareho mo ng goal sa buhay. So, you will be working hand in hand with this person. You have the Page of Cups. Possible rin, a baby, a new member of the family. Ang isa sa magbibigay sa inyo ng happiness, no? Ng joy. You also have the Ace of Wands. Yeah, tinan mo to, oh. Merong mga creative things na nag-a-appear sa kanya. So, I see this as self-discovery sa mga bagay na pwede mo pa palang gawin or i-pursue sa buhay na magkakaroon ka talaga ng interest kasi hindi mo malalaman kung interesado ka doon until you have the glimpse of it or ma-experience mo yung konti nun, 'di ba? Na example, gusto mo palang maging singer, no? Hindi mo na-realize na gusto mo pala yon until nakakuha ka ng opportunity na mag-viral sa social media or ma-appreciate ng ibang tao. So parang there is something that will give you a boost, no? Na magpalakas ng loob ninyo. O, diba? You have the Six of Wands. So this is admiration from the people around you. You will be part of a community na kung saan people look up to you. They recognize you. Alam nila yung kakayanan mo, yung galing mo. Some of you are in the public eye. Pwedeng public service. Pwede rin naman tong yung career mo is related to bringing entertainment sa ibang tao. You also have the Two of Pentacles. So maraming work opportunities for you. Marami, no? Two of Pentacles and the Two of Wands. So, I see you multitasking ngayong 2024. I think, hindi mo palalagpasin yung mga opportunities na dumarating sa'yo, lalo na kung interesado ka doon at alam mo na kaya mong pagsabayin. Oo. Ito yung tipong meron ka ng trabaho, pero gusto mo pa rin naman yung trabaho mo na yun. Tapos, may gusto ka ring i-pursue na creative na work or creative skills mo. So, pagsasabayin mo yon and you will be successful on both path. Yes, inner child. Ang inner child is about your creativity. Ayan. And kumbaga, you will just enjoy. Ngayong 2024, you will go with the flow. Kung saan ka masaya, saan ka nag-enjoy. Kasi doon ka mas makaka-attract ng good things. No? Doon mo ma-attract yung mga fun things to do. You also have kangaroo courage. You are being tested, have faith, and stand in your truth. Yes, yung pagiging totoo mo. As long as you are doing things because gusto mo yon, mahal mo yon, that is your passion, yung lakas ng loob, it will just follow eh. Susundan ka na lang. You also have the swan. So this is a graceful transformation. So what I'm seeing here is pwedeng sa physical self mo to, no? Sa physical appearance mo, pwedeng meron kang major glow up. That's why people will try to notice you or will notice you. Mapapansin ka ng mas maraming tao dahil sa mga nagbabago sa iyo. So kumbaga mas positibo yung energy mo, yung pananaw mo sa buhay. And people will see that. People will notice that. And the moment na ganun yung energy na nilalabas mo, yun din yung matatanggap mo in return. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.